Hey guys, I'm Thomas. So this routine is very special because when you do this routine every day, you will train your fingers and at the same time learn to play all your favorite songs on the piano. The video has 3 parts. Part 1 is a quick warm up. Part 2 is you will learn to play your first favorite song. And part 3, you will learn to play your melodies. Okay, part 1, warm up. Step 1, play A, B, C, D, E, and now down D, C, B, A with your right hand. So this is step 1 of our warm-up exercises. Just the right hand, up and down. So do this 10 times and then we will get to the left hand. And the left hand plays A, B, C, D, E, up and down again. So, the main challenge are the weak fingers, ring finger and pinky finger. That's totally normal if this is day 1, yeah, but give it a couple of days, a couple of weeks, and you will see it will go smoother and smoother. Okay, step 3 is play both hands together. B, C, D, E, and down. And do this very, very slow. That's totally fine. Again, after a couple of days, it will get smoother and better and faster. The only thing that's very important is that you really play both hands at the same time. Together, together, together. Not like this. Yeah, really. Together, 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 together. This is very important so that your piano playing will sound very good later on. Okay, great. So, step 4 of our warm-up exercise is now together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, and down in the left hand. So this is step number 4, and the last step of our warm-up exercise is together, left, 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 together. So, that's our warm-up. We are now ready to learn our first favorite song. And the first song I want to learn in this video now is Hotel California by the Eagles. What I do first, I go to my favorite search engine, type in Hotel California and then the word chords. In most cases, it brings up the site called ultimateguitar.com. So, let's open the site. Scroll a little down and then you will see where it says intro and verse and we have the lyrics and all the chords. So with these chords I can now go back to the piano and we start with the verse. So we see here it says AM. Yeah, that stands for the chord A minor. So the good news is no matter what it says, M or the 7 or whatever, you can see here on our piano we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it's going to be repeated A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It looks so complicated, but it's much easier than it looks. So, when it says A, no matter if it says A, M, whatever, we take the A, we put on our thumb on the A, and the pinky places the note where it's on when all the fingers are next to each other. So, this one. So, and the left hand also plays A. So this is our first chord. So, let's try the same one with the E. Here it says E, so we check our piano. Here is E. We place our thumb on the E and our pinky is on the B. So the left hand plays E. Okay, let's try only this first verse part. I play A and then E. And this is also your first task now. If you do the same song, or you can pick your favorite song, choose the first chord and the second chord. So let me be clear. This here is not very easy. But if you take your time and if you do this every day, E, A, and E, and back to A, and back to E. I have a very special secret in a second, but let's try the first line when you say, on a dark desert highway, cool wind in the hair. So, great, ignore my singing, but this is how it works. We can go on with the next chords for the next line, and then we have G and D, yeah, and we can just move our hand down to G, warm smell of coolies, and up to D, rising up through the air. Yeah, and I could go on and on and on, but the task for you is now play A and E, only the first two chords, again and again. And the next task for you is play G and D, and this is G and D, G and D. Yeah, and you can go on and on and on with the next chords. Then we have F and C. And of course, the next exercise is to play all the chords. So again, let me be clear, this is not easy, but this is our practice routine. And here's the great thing about this practice routine. When you do this every day, you will notice a pattern. You will see things again and again and again and again. So this is actually a very complicated song. We have a lot of chords. You have a lot of chords, yeah? On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of coolies, rising up through the air, and F, up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light, and D, my head grew up heavy, then I had to stop for the night. And of course then we have chorus with F. Welcome to the Hotel California. 2, 3, 4. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. So, and here's the first pattern that we will notice. We have F and C, E and A. And we had this before, and also in the next line, F and C. You will notice when you do a song every day, you will become faster and faster with A, E, C, D, F, G, and A, and so on. And this way, you will learn a new song every day, maybe every other day, maybe every week, whatever. And you will learn the system behind everything, because maybe you heard that chords are behind every major song, no matter if you play für Elise, A minor, E, and A minor. Yeah. And if you trust this process, you will notice then when you later learn the entire melody of the song that it will become easier, faster, and more fun, and you will learn something that most piano players will never learn. Okay, great. Now let's go on with part number 3 of this video, how to play the melodies. Because I want to show you a secret. When we play our Hotel California song, the melody is very close. Here I play E to our chords. Yeah, it's always one of these notes that the melody is made of. Yeah, you can see it's E, but we also have D. You don't have to remember now every single thing, but you should know that the melody is always based on chords. Yeah, here again, the E in the right hand, we also have it in the chord in the left hand. And then we have G, G and D, and the melody is the D, one of the chords on the left hand. So, But you can imagine, this is a great routine here. It's a great practice routine, and if you do your warm-up every day and you will try to Google and learn a new song every day, you will get faster and faster with all the things. So the next thing then you should do is learn the melodies and discover all the other details when it comes to learning the piano. And this is why I created a piano course, which is totally for free. It's called my Piano Crash Course, and you can find it on my website. I link it in the description below. So that's the next step, and I highly recommend that you do this practice routine every day, but also start with my crash course, because there we get in easy steps, step by step, to the next part, and get more and more advanced, and you will learn how to play all the melodies, and there are endless of possibilities on the piano, yeah? This is the great start of your piano journey. It's a lot of fun, and it's free, and the link is in the description below. So get it now, and then I can see you in a second inside the course.